Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix front assist not available on Volkswagen. The solution will work for the Volkswagen Tiguan, Volkswagen Golf, Volkswagen Polo, Touareg, Volkswagen Passat, and the Volkswagen Touareg. So if you guys have any of these models, the solution will work for you. So basically guys, what you need to do firstly is go to your vehicle settings. In order to do that, just go to your navigation screen here in the right side of your steering wheel. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. So once you're here in this screen, make sure that you are in the home page firstly, and then look for vehicle settings. You're gonna find vehicle app right here, give it a click, and then here you're gonna find vehicle status, and in the bottom right you're gonna find settings. You're gonna click, and then here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your vehicle. So once you're here, just scroll down until you find driving assistance right here, as you can see guys, and here you're gonna find all of the assistance settings. And if you go here also to parking and maneuvering, you're gonna find the parking assistance settings. As you can see guys right here, firstly make sure that you activate the park pilot, and then once it's activated, here you're gonna find the front volume. Make sure that you have your volume up a little bit so you can hear the front volume assist, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.